Hello friends, in this new video, we will look into the flexibility that we will get when SAP S4HANA is hosted in the cloud versus any premise. I trust everyone will be aware of the cloud, so I'm not going to go in detail on that. But since I have put a terminology called any premises, I'm going to just detail it little about it. When I say any premise means it can be your own data center, or it can be a third-party data center, or it can be with the vendor who are offering you the SAP hosting hardware as infrastructure as service. So that's where I am calling that as a any premises. Okay. So here is a little detailed illustration of the SAP S4HANA deployment flexibility. Okay, so the bottom portion explains about the cloud. So the cloud can be anything. So there are different cloud offerings which is available. So that is given for an information. What is important is in the left side you can see the SAP S4HANA which is hosted on a cloud environment, and on the right side you can see the SAP S4HANA which is hosted on the any premises. Okay, for both the things, whether it is hosted in the cloud or whether it is hosted in premises, the code lines, which is the ABAP code, are the data models, which are the tables and structures, are the user experience. There is no difference between them, which means the end result, the user experience for both of them at the end user level, they will not find any difference. Okay, only for the people who are working like consultants or the people who are working and managing the projects, they will find the difference. Okay, so here the important point is in both the sides there is an indicator which is having a values low and high, which talks about the standardization and the flexibility. It says how the standardization and flexibility is denoted as in the cloud and also in the premises. So let us see the comparisons with some of the few bulletin points which I have acquired as part of some of the engagements. Okay, so when you see the hosting part, you can see the comparison in the box below the HANA cloud premises illustration part. I have in the left side you are having the rows which will indicate you about the hosting license, etc., and that is about the SAP S4 HANA cloud features and the any premises features. When it comes to the hosting, okay, this is hosted on the cloud and it is fully managed by SAP. Okay, which means you don't do anything. It's all fully managed by them. Okay, it is like you getting a Gmail access. Okay, when it comes to any premises, that means the whole infrastructure is being managed by either by in-house data center or by the third party or by any other partner who are giving you the infrastructure as service. This is the difference in the hosting part. When it comes to license, okay, in the HANA cloud, the licensing is like a subscription model. Like you can say to SAP, you want 50 licenses. Some of them will be user license, some of them will be the configuration or some um, you know license with higher privileges. When it comes to the any premises, you are buying the license as an outright purchase. You will say give me 100 license, and you will manage it how those licenses to be used, so that is all up to you. The important point here we have to look here is the flexibility. When it comes to S4 HANA Cloud, we will not have much flexibility. It is very, very less flexible. Since you will be working on the standard business process and you cannot customize fully as per the requirement. Okay, like if you have any specific requirements for your own business processes, it is not possible to customize. So that is why the flexibility is less. When it comes to any premises, it is fully flexible because the box is only used by you. When it comes to HANA Cloud, it is shared with multiple subscribers, so you will not have so much flexibility. When it comes to standardization, it is not, it is high. When I say high means you will not have options to customize much. So the standard processes, the standardized processes is very high here, which means you can call when you are working on HANA Cloud. you are adapting the best practices which SAP suggests, and you are not going and making any customization. You may do it, but not to an extent where you will go beyond the boundaries of standardization. When it comes to any premise, there is no restriction because the whole infrastructure, the whole system is managed by you. Whatever the customizing you wanted to do, you will be doing it. Okay, so at the end, you may be outside the boundaries of the standardization. It need not be fully outside, but still we will not be able to follow that, because when we do lot of non-standard processes to meet our business requirement. Okay, now the next point is about the SAP updates. When it comes to updates, when you are working with HANA Cloud, SAP releases, you know, for every quarter they release the updates, and these updates are automatically available for the cloud customers. Okay, that means by default the patches will be updated, and the information, mails, messages will reach to the subscribers or the partners, and they can, if required, they can adapt it, they can test, deploy, and they can move forward. When it comes to the any premises, in those cases, all the updates will be available, but you will not be immediately adapted, because for every quarter you cannot do one support pack or release upgrade into the system, because that requires some downtime. So there is some time and effort, substantial time and effort that is required. It is available to them, but it is not practically possible for you to adapt it, and sometimes some of the updates needs to be clubbed together. So for all those reasons, in the any premises level, it is little challenging. So the updates, adhering to the SAP updates will take more time when we are working with the any premises. So these are the differences when it comes to the code line, data model, user experience, etc. Yes, we have already explained. It is all common between both the HANA cloud and also the SAP S/4HANA on-premises. So this is a simple piece of information I thought I would like to share with all of you. So in case if you have any feedback or anything, feel free to inform me so that we can update the slides and this one accordingly. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.